Picture this. You're on a luxurious cruise, but your phone's dead, your clothes are wrinkled, and you're scrambling for storage space. Avoid these rookie mistakes with my list of the top 10 essentials experienced cruisers always pack, but beginners forget every time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning your first cruise or even your fifth, packing can make or break your experience. Cruise ships are floating resorts, but space is tight, amenities are limited, and surprises like rough seas or buggy ports can pop up. That's why today we're counting down the top 10 things experienced cruisers always pack, but beginners often forget. These aren't your basic toothbrush or swimsuit. These are the clever hacks that keep pros comfortable and stress-free. We'll go from number 10 to number 1, explaining what each item is, why it's a game changer, and why newbies tend to overlook it. Let's dive in. Number 10. Wrinkle Release Spray. This is a simple bottle of fabric refresher spray, like Downy Wrinkle Releaser, that you spritz on clothes to smooth out creases without heat. Why is it essential? Cruise ships ban irons and steamers due to fire hazards, so your packed outfits will arrive crumpled from the suitcase. Experienced cruisies know a quick spray and hang keeps everything looking sharp for dinner or photos, saving you from embarrassing wrinkles or pricey onboard laundry. Beginners forget it because they assume hotels have irons, but ships are different. They don't realize how much suitcase travel mangles clothes until it's too late. Number 9. Bug Spray. We're talking a travel-sized insect repellent with DEET or natural options like citronella. It's your shield against mosquitoes, flies, and other pests during shore excursions. Ports in the Caribbean, Alaska, or Mediterranean can be buggy, especially in jungles, beaches, or evenings ashore. And bites can ruin your fun or even lead to health issues. Pros pack it because they've been bitten before and know ship stores charge a premium if they even stock it. Newbies overlook it thinking cruises are all about the ship, forgetting excursions take you into nature where bugs thrive. Number 8. Packing Cubes. These are zippered fabric pouches in various sizes that organize your clothes by category, like shirts in one, underwear in another. They compress items to save space and make unpacking a breeze. Just pop them into cabin drawers. Why pack them? Cabins are tiny with limited storage, and cubes prevent your suitcase from exploding into chaos. Experienced folks use them to stay tidy and repack easily at the end. Beginners skip them because they seem like extra gadgets, not realizing how disorganized luggage gets after a week at sea. Number 7. Reusable Water Bottle. An insulated, collapsible bottle like a hydro flask or simple silicone one that folds flat when empty. It keeps drinks cold or hot and refills at ship water stations. Hydration is key on cruises with sun, alcohol, and activities, but bottled water costs a fortune on board. Pros bring one to sip freely without waste or expense, especially on hot port days. Rookies forget because they think the ship provides everything, but free water is tap style, and carrying a glass from the buffet is awkward. Number 6. First Aid Kit. A small pouch with basics like Band-Aids, pain relievers, ibuprofen or acetaminophen, antacids, allergy meds, and antibiotic ointment. It's for minor cuts, headaches, or tummy troubles from rich food or travel. Ship medical centers are for emergencies and charge high fees, plus stores have limited hours in stock. Seasoned cruisers pack their own because they've dealt with blisters from walking or hangovers from parties. Beginners assume the ship has a full pharmacy, forgetting how inconvenient and costly it can be for everyday elements. Number 5. Seasickness remedies. Options include wristbands like C-bands that use acupressure, ginger chews, or over-the-counter pills like Dramamine. They prevent nausea from ocean motion, which hits harder in rough waters or smaller ships. Even if you think you're fine, waves can surprise you, turning your vacation miserable. Experts always have them handy from past experiences, stashing extras in their carry-on. Newcomers forget because they've never been on open water, underestimating how common seasickness is. About 1 in 3 people get it. Number 4. Over-the-door organizer. A fabric hanger with clear pockets, usually for shoes but versatile for anything. Hang it on the bathroom door for toiletries, sunscreens, or accessories. Cabins have minimal shelves and bathrooms are cramped, so this creates instant storage without clutter. Pros love it for keeping things visible and off counters. Beginners skip it, not realizing how quickly a shared cabin turns into a mess without extra organization tools. Number 3. Lanyard. A simple neck strap with a clip or pouch for your cruise key card. The key card is your room key, payment method, and boarding pass. Lose it and you're locked out. Wearing it frees your hands and pockets during pool time or shows. Experienced cruisers grab cheap ones or themed versions because they've fumbled cards before. Newcomers forget, thinking pockets suffice, but with swimsuits and activities, it's easy to misplace a card. Number 2. Non-surge power strip. A basic extension cord with multiple outlets and USB ports, but crucially without surge protection. Check labels. Cabins often have just 1 to 2 plugs for phones, cameras, hair tools, and more. This lets you charge everything at once. Veterans pack it knowing older ships lack modern outlets, but beginners overlook it, assuming like hotels, and end up fighting over plugs or buying expensive ones on board. Note, surge protectors are banned for safety, so get the right kind. And now, number 1, magnetic hooks. Heavy-duty magnets with hooks attached, like neodymium ones that hold 10 to 20 pounds. Cruise cabin walls are metal, so these stick anywhere to hang towels, bags, hats, or wet swimsuits, turning vertical space into storage. It's a genius hack for tiny rooms without drilling or damage. Pros always pack a set because they've maximized every inch on past trips. Beginners forget because they don't know about the metal walls, leading to cluttered floors and frustration. There you have it, the top 10 essentials that separate cruise pros from rookies. Packing these will make your voyage smoother, cheaper, and way more enjoyable. To wrap up, remember, experienced cruisers pack smart with items like magnetic hooks, power strips, and seasickness remedies to handle the unique challenges of ship life. Don't be a beginner who forgets. Grab these for your next trip and sail like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise tips, and comment below what's one item you always pack. Thanks for watching. Fair winds and following seas.